Guys, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to install Tomcat and how to use it. So, briefly talking about the Tomcat, it's an web server. So, this server is basically used to run the Java WW applications, that is basically web applications. So it's not an application server, which is bit different as compared to the web server. uh, Application server basically has some more functionality, or you can say for building the enterprise level applications we required the application server, and there are some you can say more there are some application server in the market like JBoss. So today we are talking about the web server only. So firstly you have to install, or you have to download the web server from the tomcat.apache.org, and from here you can download the latest version of the Tomcat as per your need. Like you can download the zip file. Okay, now I've already downloaded the zip file and extracted that zip file, and after extracting I found this folder, Apache Tomcat 808. Now when you open this folder, you will again find some folders in the file. Let's start with this file, running text file. Now in this file you can find some specification or prerequisites for running the Tomcat server on your machine. So let's see some of the prerequisites that we need to have in our machine before using the Tomcat server. Now as you can see clearly, it's saying like we need to install or we need to have the JRE version 7 or later on our machine before using this Tomcat server. Okay, so in my machine I'm already having the JDK 8 version. So we are good to go for installing or for looking at the Tomcat server. Now there are some more folders like logs. In this folder the logs are maintained. From here you can access the logs and you can find the log files. And now let's go to the bin. Now for running the Tomcat server, you just need to run a batch file with a parameter like you can see we are having that clean batch file. So for running the web server we can write cleaner.bat start. So immediately that Tomcat is going to start. Now for verifying whether this server is working fine on our machine or not, we can go to the browser and check the local host. The by default the port number for the Tomcat server is 8080. That we can configure, that I will show you after this. Now you can see that the Tomcat server is up and running. Now, for stopping the Tomcat server, in the same way you can write Catalina stop, and it is going to stop the server. Let me just hit the refresh button. Now you can say the server has been stopped. So as I told you, the default port for the Tomcat is 8080, but we can change that port. For changing the port, you just need to open that server.xml file. So let me just find the default port for this. Let me just search 8080. Now here you can see the default port is 8080, but you can change this port number, and you can just stop your Tomcat and just restart it, and it will get up on the port, whichever port you have provided on the server XML file. Thanks guys for watching the video. Hope you have subscribed my YouTube channel so that you can get the latest video first. Okay, thanks for watching my video.